Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back. Now, as you can see, I'm outside Easton Town Center, and yesterday I told y'all that I was going to be picking up, obviously, the pairs of 350s that I hit on, but I also said that I might be picking up a 9.5 for somebody that you guys may know. Now, I'm not gonna pick them up here, but I have to go to another mall to pick up his pair, and those are for, if y'all watch sneaker YouTube, y'all know who Jumperman Chris is. So Jumperman Chris, me and him linked up on Instagram. He hit on a 9.5 here in the city, so I told him that I'd take care of it for him. So I'm gonna go grab my 11.5 here, then I'm gonna head over to Dublin to Tuttle, and I'm gonna pick up his pair over there. Let's roll. Yo, it's gray and gloomy out, but it's still Yeezy release day. They got a bunch of stuff releasing today, obviously. You got your Platinum Tints, your Yeezys, and a bunch of other stuff. But I'm about to go in here to Champs and pick up the things I need to pick up.
You all right, man?
I'm good, bro. Hey, what's good, man?
Good.
How you been? Good.
You got the Yeezys?
Yeah, size 11.
Size 11, let me grab the big.
Appreciate you. Thank you, mama. Have a good one. All right, y'all. As y'all can see, I'm one bag down. Yes, sir. One bag down. So, Chris, I'm on my way to go pick up your pair. He already done hit me a couple times. He's stressing over there, hoping that I get him. But now I'm about to go get him, and I'm gonna ship him right out to you today. Appreciate you again, man. Holla at y'all in a minute. Chris, you're so lucky I rock with your content, and I like your channel. It's raining out here. Got me sprinting into the mall. I honestly don't hope they don't give me a hard time picking up your pair, but we about to head inside now. Woo! 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 All right, about to head inside now. See if we can get this 9.5 and get my other one as well. Well, who was that? Is that somebody important?
Yeah, I guess to them.
Right, I'm like, who was it? Who?
A young rapper. For
Oh, okay.
Yeah. He sound like Lil Boosie.
Okay, I got
What's your phone number?
All right, y'all, so as you can see, we're done House of Hoops. We done finished up for the day. Me and Joso are going to head back to the house. The 11 and 11.5 are already claimed, and the 9.5 is going to Jumperman Chris. So once again, I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna put the link to his the link to his channel down in the description below. I'm sure y'all already subscribed to his channel, but if not, hit his channel up, and then we're gonna get something to eat and get a haircut. We out here. Y'all know what I realized after making this whole video? That I never even showed the sneaker in the video. So before I ship this off, Chris don't get mad. I'm not gonna do a review or anything. I'll leave that to you on your channel. Y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to Jumperman Chris, by the way. And but I have to show the sneaker in the video, even for you, Chris, so you know that I'm taking care of you. All right, y'all. So here they are in hand. Honestly, not bad, man. It's like a peach, like a coral midsole and outsole. And obviously you got your translucent side panel like the Statics started. Sorry. Not bad, man. Not bad at all. Not for me, but I can see why people like it. You know what I'm saying? I can see people freaking this and finessing this real nice. But Chris, they on the way.